The dust accumulating on your computer's display, mouse, and keyboard can be a major distraction, not to mention a health hazard. In this video, we've reviewed and compiled a list of the best 10 cordless computer dusters that can help you tackle this problem in a quick and easy way. From compact models that can be used on desktops and laptops to heavy-duty models that can handle bigger jobs, we've got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Check out our list today. All the product links are given in the description below. Number 1 is DOROBEEN Compressed Air Duster. This air duster has a powerful motor that provides 41,000 RPM for maximum coverage. DOROBEEN's rotary switch allows you to adjust your airflow while maintaining maximum power. The wind power can be adjusted to meet your needs with the rotary switch, and the weight is just 0.69 ounce, so it's easy to carry around in your bag or backpack. The compact size makes it convenient for storage and carrying, and built-in rechargeable battery gives you 3 hours of operation under minimum wind speed. It also comes with the 2A adapter, not included, so you can fast charge it using a standard USB port, perfect for cleaning dust out of sensitive materials like phone screens, delicate tree bark, circuit boards, etc. Whether you need to clean up delicate electronics or get rid of that dust in your home, DOROBEEN is your perfect partner. Number 2 is AIRROKI Compressed Air Duster. Are you tired of picking up dust particles from computers, keyboards, and all kinds of electronic devices? With AIRROKI's wind power cleaning system, the answer is a definite yes. The wind power duster can reach a maximum speed of 51,000 RPM, which makes it powerful enough to clean every nook and corner of your home or office, no matter how dusty your environment is. With AIRROKI's air duster, you'll be able to get rid of every last speck of dirt. The battery protection design means that it will not be charged when it is in use. AIRROKI is a Type-C interface for charging, so you can use it with most devices. This is definitely one of the best I've seen for its price range. If you're looking for a quick way to clean off computers, phones, televisions, really anything, then this is it. Number 3 is AFMAT Cordless Air Duster. Dusting is a necessary and yet tiresome task, especially when you've got to do it for hours on end. But with AFMAT's air duster, dusting has never been so easy. This powerful machine features an adjustable air blast that can be set at 10 levels of a strong burst of air that literally gives an output of 28 meters per second, ensuring that all dust layers are removed from the surface. With its ability to run for nearly 30 minutes continuously thanks to built-in 6,000 mAh rechargeable batteries, this duster allows users to get their work done quickly without having to worry about charging. Additionally, this duster comes with a retractable nozzle that allows users to grip the machine comfortably while keeping their hands clear of any debris or dirt. The long palm gripping design also ensures that the handhold is always clear for users while they're working. And finally, the duster is constructed from durable materials that ensure it lasts long and delivers great results. Number 4 is SI&Shine MultiUse Electric Air Duster. Electronic devices are essential in our day-to-day life, but with continuous use, they tend to accumulate dust that causes a hindrance in functioning. With SI&Shine's electric air blower, you can easily remove the dust from these electronic items without having to compromise on speed or quality. Compact and lightweight, this powerful air cleaner is easy to install and operate. You can switch it on and start cleaning immediately by blowing as much air as you need at 27 meters per second capacity. The best part is that it will remove the dust particles from your device effectively without harming any electronic components or damaging the surrounding surface area. Number 5 is RESIBI Cordless Electric Air Duster. No more huffing and puffing while cleaning. Our ResiBI air blower is the fast and most powerful way to get the dust out of any surface. With a max speed of 90,000 RPM, this machine will leave your dusty desktop clean and shining in no time. ResiBI dust blower will not produce chemicals, liquids, or freezing during cleaning. ResiBI R3 Pro comes with a built-in large-capacity 7,500 mAh all-lithium battery that allows you to run this duster for nearly 25-40 minutes continuously. This cordless air blower also comes equipped with 3-speed wind speeds of 50,000 RPM, 70,000 RPM, and 90,000 RPM for maximum dust removal power. If you are looking for an efficient way to clean your home or office, look no further than ResiBI R3 Pro.